How to replace the wireless LAN antenna. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, display panel assembly, LCD panel, and LCD panel hinges. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the main wireless LAN antenna cable from the routing channel on the LCD enclosure. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the main wireless LAN antenna to the LCD enclosure. Carefully remove the main wireless LAN antenna transceiver from the LCD enclosure. The auxiliary wireless LAN antenna is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless LAN antenna cables.